And I was talking to some of our folks the other day, and one phrase came to mind: America didn't build itself.
I love that too, because if you can't think about construction and America together in the same capacity, you're just missing the boat. Welcome everybody to the next episode of the Mobilization Mindset. My name is Scott Peper, CEO and founder of Mobilization Funding. And today we're going to be celebrating the 250th anniversary of Construction Building America. Yes, it's America's 250th anniversary, and it's awesome about it. But what's even more awesome is we're going to be talking about how construction evolved, built, and sustained that 250-year history. What happened to get here and what we're going to be doing for the next 250 years. And again, I have my great friend and host, Drew, sitting here by myself.
Glad to be here again.
Yes.
It's a normal thing now.
Dude, what is next in construction for the 250th anniversary? But before that, I want you to tell me, what impact has construction had on the 250 years we've spent here in the United States?
Every capability that we have, you can root back to some sort of construction. Like the depth, the breadth, the expertise, everything that we have in America goes back, obviously back to our troops and back to all the things that make us great, our values. But everything started in some way, shape, or form with construction. Every idea led to some sort of construction.
Yep.
And that goes back to the late 1700s, to all the way to now. And I think that's kind of literally the history. I'll tell you a funny story. This is kind of an anecdote, but one of the most American feelings I ever had was 2 or 3 summers ago. I'm driving in Montana with my family, and we're going to Yellowstone National Park. We enter the park, and we're kind of driving from like Bozeman to West Yellowstone. And we're going through the park. It's a 2-lane highway going through this beautiful scenery. All of a sudden we pull up to like 800 freaking highway guys who are laying cement, like machines, equipment. And on every single machine, this is around July 4th, there was an American flag like hoisted up above the machine. And I'm like, these dudes are grinding it out in a U.S., national park.
Mm-hmm.
Building a freaking road. I mean, that's about as American as it gets.
It's true. I love that too, because if you can't think about construction and America together in the same capacity, you're just missing the boat. The roads we drive on, the schools we're educated in, the greatest inventions, the greatest technology ever thought about. AI. Someone's like, yeah, technology. AI. How does construction have to do with the AI? Dude, those data centers, all of that power, AI is gone without somebody coming in and clearing the dirt, leveling the field, putting concrete down, building the building, and to even sustain the equipment that goes in there for this AI imagination that we now have. Going to the moon again, going up to space, having Starlink that Elon Musk's company put in the air. You got to build the rocket launch, got to build the pad. Has to be strong enough to get the weight there. Has to be strong enough to take the blast force into the ground.
The roads that go to the manufacturing facility that build the Starlink. I mean, I was talking to some of our folks the other day, and one phrase came to mind: America didn't build itself.
That's right.
I mean, and I guess I'll talk directly to some of our audience. I mean, the owners out there, all the way to the management, to the people actually in the field, don't underestimate your part in this American story. I mean, it's a huge part. It's if you want any sort of connection greater than yourself, I would say, obviously you've got our military, you've got doctors, nurses, teachers. I mean, construction, man. I mean, the people building America every day, and it's ongoing. Is incredible. So if you want to feel connected to something bigger than yourself and you're in construction, you're in it. You're already in it. You should be incredibly proud of yourself.
It's true. I mean, construction built all of America, all of our creature comforts, our homes, where we live, the power we get, every single thing that we touch and every comfort we have in today's society was completely and 100% established and built and originated by somebody in construction.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What other industry can we possibly say that for?
You really can't.
You can't.
I mean, think about, I mean, these folks are building hospitals and roads and bridges, and think about the railroads that were built in the 1800s and early 1900s, the expansion out west. Like, our entrepreneurial spirit is rooted in construction.
It is.
Our ability to engage in new frontiers is built on construction.
Yep.
And it opens up the opportunity for so many people across our country to enjoy the fruits of that labor.
Yeah. And it also allows everybody's thoughts and imaginations and ideas to come to life. Because once you create something, you think through something, and you want to have the next big adventure, it has to be built.
Yeah.
And so you go right back to the construction industry to build it for you.
Mm-hmm.
And once it's built, your idea now has either the building, the platform, or the actual creation established from the construction industry. Your idea that started as a way to solve a specific little problem or a big problem ultimately lands in the lap of a construction crew.
Yeah. And I'll even, we say here, I mean, you can have the best product, you can have the best service, you can have the best brand in the world, right?
Mm-hmm.
Without good people, you don't really have a company.
No.
And I would even kind of transfer that as, we're a country that is not short of ideas, of really good ideas, some bad ideas, but some really, really good ideas. We're a country that has the benefit of having people who are driven and who are bold. I think that differentiates us against the rest of the world. And we're a country that benefits from a large amount of capital. But without construction, none of that becomes reality.
Nope.
None of it.
None of it.
Yeah.
So on the 250th anniversary of America, think about the construction contractors. See them on the roads, see them in your buildings, spread some love to them. Think about pushing out to the charities that you know help them. Think about their safety. Think about their families. Think about getting into construction. It's an amazing industry. Think about how you can have an impact, and the friends, family, and people you know who already are in construction are having an impact on not only your days and life today, but the days and lives of your children and your grandchildren and your families in the next 250 years. Anything else, Drew?
That's it. I said my piece. I'm passionate about it. This is good stuff.
Folks, find us on mobilizationfunding.com and our YouTube channel for more of ways that mobilization funding and the construction industry are helping build the next 250 years of America. Until next time, have a great week, and God bless you.